In this short video, I'll show you how to set up Google Sheets trigger using N8N. From the workflow, what we can do is actually utilize an AI assistant tool to help us in making our nodes. So for this one, I'll be using ChatGPT right here. So what we need to do now is input a good prompt, something like how to set up Google Sheets trigger in N8N. Please provide a simple example N8N file for me to import and make a brief guide on the topic. So for me to follow. Okay, I think that's a good prompt. It will start generating and provide us a JSON script for us to use. But don't worry, the neat part about this is that N8N is actually support copy pasting a bunch of JSON files like this. So once it's finished generating, and also given us a guide since we told it to, so we won't get lost, just go ahead and copy this, go to the workflow, and press Ctrl V on your keyboard, and it should paste the node right here. If you're confused about the nodes and how it works, you can go back to ChatGPT and follow what it did step by step so you won't get lost. There you go. And if we go to the Google Sheets trigger node itself, what we need to do now is input the proper data, especially the credentials. It's pretty much critical to import your credentials when it comes to Google Sheets. But once you've done that and input the necessary documents in Sheets, you've basically made a Google Sheets trigger in your workflow. Now you know how to set up a Google Sheets trigger using N8N. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.